Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to turn off do not disturb, because when you will turn on do not disturb you cannot receive any call or message. So if you want to receive call or message on the Samsung mobile, so you have to turn off do not disturb. So following this process you can easily turn off do not disturb. So firstly, scroll the screen. So when you will scroll the screen, here you can see different options. So just not disturb. So when you will click on do not disturb, so you can see do not disturb is off. So guys, in this way you can turn off do not disturb on the Samsung mobile phone. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.